Naitwa David na tunataka kusoma kitu inaitwa Foundation of Computer Science. So tunataka kusoma Computer Science ya grade 7. Na so this is our first class. So tutasoma hizo klasi zingine. Na so kwa hii subject inaitwa Foundation of Computer Science, tutaanza na topic 1 ambayo inaitwa Computer Concepts. So hii topic, kitu ya kwanza inatusaidia ni kuelewa computer ni nini na kuelewa venye computer ina function, juu ni basics. So tukikuja hapa, kitu ya kwanza kufanya, tunakuja kudefine computer. So mtu akiambiwa jina computer, what comes in the mind? Ama kile mtu anafikiria ni hii picha. So mtu anaona hii. But this one, as we shall see, tukiendelea kusoma ni this is just one type of a computer. So tukikuja kwa definition ya computer, what is a computer? Tunasema a computer is an electronic device that processes data to information. So computer ni device electronic ambayo ina process data to information. Then tunakuja hapa, tunaweza sema bado a computer is an electronic device that processes data and perform tasks based on instruction given to it. So computer ina follow instruction ambazo imepewa na mwenye kutumia computer, ambaye tutakuwa tunamuita computer user. Kwa hivyo tukisema computer user, tutakuwa tunasema ni yule mtu ambaye anatumia computer. Huyo ndiye anapea computer instructions ya venye itafanya. So computer ina accept hizo data, then ina perform task. Bado tunaweza sema a computer is a device that receives, stores, organizes and processes data to information. And also tunaweza sema a computer is an electronic device that accepts inputs, does processing, then produces the output and stores the output. So hiyo ndio definition. Kwa hivyo a computer is an electronic device that processes data to information. Tutakuja kudefine hizo word tukiendelea. So kitu tunapaswa kujua at this point, that computer ina follow instruction inapewa na mtu. So lazima kukuwe na mtu aipe instruction itafanya. So that is there. And then ina deal na data na isifanya kuwa information. Then tukikuja hapa, kuna kitu kingine tunapaswa kudefine, inaitwa define computer science. So tukikuja hii tunasoma subject inaitwa computer science. So tukikuja kudefine, tunasema computer science is the study of computers and how computer technology can be used to solve problem. So hii subject tunasoma kazi yake ni nini? Ni kutusaidia kuelewa computer na venye tunaweza tumia computer na kusolve problem. Yani tunataka kutumia computer kutafuta answers za shida. Then tunaweza sema that computer science, it is also the study of how computers work, how to design computer programs that solve problems, and how to write computer programs that help the computer to complete task. So tutasoma how computer works, tujue venye computer inafanya kazi, then how to design computer programs. Computer programs, sasa hizi ni zile tulisema ni instructions ambazo computer hufuata ili isolve a given problem. So that is what we can say about computer science. So it is the study of computers and how computer technology can be used to solve problems. Then the next thing, there is something we have said now, computer program. Define computer program. A computer program is a set of step-by-step instructions. So it is a step-by-step instruction that a computer follows to perform a given task. So computer ina follow steps. So haiendi just ati kitu mara moja, ina follow instruction. Na those instructions now, ambazo ni step by step, sa perform a given task, is what we call computer program. So tukikuja hapo, we have an example here ya withdraw money at an M-Pesa agent. Tuseme mtu ameenda kutoa pesa kwa agent. So what a person does is akona simu, that is number one. Then anaenda kwa menu, kuna mahali anaenda kama ni kutoa pesa, anaenda kwa menu, anasema withdraw cash, anaweka agent number, then anaweka pesa anataka, anaweka pin ya M-Pesa, then pesa sinatoka kama akona pesa. Kama haina, nitamwambia hana pesa sababu ina follow instruction. So kuna set instruction tunafuata. So hata mtu akienda kutoa pesa kwa M-Pesa, there is that process you follow. Ama kuna hizo instruction una follow. So that is what we call a computer program. So a computer program is a set of step-by-step instruction that a computer follows to perform a given task. Then tukiwa hapo kuna a computer uses computer programs. So when we say we have a computer, tunasema inatumia nini? Computer programs. So a computer cannot function ama haiwezi fanya kazi bila computer programs. So computer programs ndizo zinaambia computer fanya hivi, fanya hivi, fanya hivi. Then we have examples of computer programs. Kuna Word ni ile watu wanatumia kuandika. Tuseme kwa mfano kwa hii computer nikikuja nifungue hapa. So niklik hapo, kama hii imefunguka, sasa hii ni Word. So hii mtu anaweza kuja na type kitu anataka kutype hapo, andike kitu anataka kutype. So that is a Word. This is an example of a computer program ambayo inatumika kuandika kitu tunataka kuandika. So don't save. Then we have Excel. Excel mtu anaweza kutumia kufanya hesabu. Tutakuja kuiona na hapo mbele tukienda kuna kitu inaitwa Excel ni hii. So you can see it here. Badala ya kusema tutaiona na huko. So this is the Excel. So mtu anaweza kuja hapo na andike. Aseme labda nilikuwa nataka kuandika labda hapo 23. Na niandike hapo 5. Tuseme nataka kumultiply hizi namba, nitakuja tu hapo na niseme nataka kumultiply labda 23 and then times 5. Lakini this is a simple, just for illustration. Kuna ile njia mtu huwaga tunafuata, tutakuja kusoma na huko baadaye. So tunataka kumultiply. So ni hapo. Na so mtu anaweza itumia kufanya hesabu ama kuandika vitu kadhaa, tutakuja kuona. Tarudi tu hapo nitakuja kuonyesha kitu kingine kwa hii class. So that is a computer program. Inaambia computer vile itafanya kazi. So then kuna calculator. So calculator is a computer program. It is a program. So tuseme kwa mfano tutakuja kuitumia, lakini we can use it here. So we can have a calculator. So the calculator is here. So we can use it here, and this is a calculator. So I can come just here and say I need 12 times 12. So we just press there, and that is 144. So this is a calculator, and okay, I want it to be smaller. Standard calculator, or you can just make it smaller that way. So this is a calculator. So we have a calculator is a program. So we have so many computer programs. So these computer programs, they are designed for a specific work. So and there are others that does more than one task. So we'll come to see that. So we have examples of computer programs. Then the next thing is we need to define data. We have said that a computer accepts data ama processes data to information. So data refers to raw facts, numbers, or tables that are not processed by a computer. So anything that gets inside the data, that is what inside the computer is what we call the computer data ama data. Data is anything. It doesn't have a meaning. So it can be anything that gets inside the computer. That is the data. Then data is anything that is entered into a computer. That's the definition. So anything that is entered into a computer is what we call data. Then we have data have no meaning to the user. So data hainaga meaning. So ukiambiwa ati data hii ni nini, haina meaning juu haijakuwa processed. Ikikuwa processed ndio inakuwa na meaning, na sasa inakuwa ni information. So we have datum is the singular word of data. So tukiona datum, it means here ni singular word. So data is plural word of datum. So datum is data. Then we have tunataka kudefine information. What is information? So tunasema information is the processed data. So after the data is entered into a computer, it goes a process called a processing stage. Then it becomes information. So that is information. Then we say information is what comes out of the computer. It is what we see, like the one we are seeing here on the screen. That is information because it has been processed. But when I'm writing a letter by letter, that is data. So I'm feeding data to the computer, or I'm entering data. Then information has meaning. This one has meaning because you can read. You can know what it is, like this one on the screen. But data doesn't have meaning. You cannot know what it is. Then we have an example here. A mobile number like this one is an information. This is information. But when we have a number like this one is data because we don't know what it is. This one we are able to know it is a mobile number because it starts with plus 254. So we know that is the code for Kenya. And so this is the mobile number. But this one is the data. Although we may know that this is number 0723 and then those numbers. But this is data. So there is difference between data and there is difference between information. So information is meaningful. Data does not have meaning. Yeah? Then we have to define technology. So technology, we say technology is the use of scientific knowledge to solve problem. So we have a problem, then we use the scientific knowledge, the science knowledge. Eh? But now when we come to computer, there is a word here, computer technology. So computer technology is the use of computer knowledge and tools to solve problems. Well, so knowledge ni ile kitu najua. I know computer can do this. But now when we come to the tools, is now the gadgets we use to do that. So, kwa mfano, tuseme computer technology, use of computer knowledge and tools to solve a problem. Tuseme niko na shida ya kupigia mtu simu. So, number one, I'll get the mobile phone. So, the hardset. The hardset now is the tool. And then we have the knowledge. I know how to make a call. So, we combine computer knowledge and the tool to solve a problem. So they must work together. So you must have tools and knowledge for computer technology to exist. Then we go to characteristics of computer. So characteristics of computer, we are comparing a person and a computer. And so the characteristics number one is speed. So computer has high speed compared to a human being. So computer inaweza fanya kazi haraka tukilinganisha na mtu. Kwa mfano, tuseme you have been told multiply 130 times 111. Multiply 130 times 111. If you have a computer, you just come here and say 130 times 111. And then you get the answer. But now, kama ni mtu angekuwa anafanya hivyo, angetumia muda mwingi sana. So computer, we say it has a high speed compared to a human being or to a person. Then, number two, versatility. Versatility is the ability of a computer to carry out different tasks. So a computer can send an email. A computer can play a music. A computer can be used to draw a diagram. So that is the versatility nature of a computer. Also, we say versatility is the ability of computer to carry out different tasks at the same time. So versatility. That is another characteristic of a computer. Diligence. Diligence is the ability of the computer to carry out tasks without getting tired. So we say a computer it's a machine. And so it's a machine. If it is a machine, it means it does not get tired. So it doesn't get the fatigue. So that is diligence. Then we have automation. Automation is the ability of a computer to carry out tasks without a person. So an example is, tuseme mtu ameenda kutoa pesa kwa ATM ama kwa M-Pesa. Hakuna mtu anakuaga, tuseme sana kwa ATM, hakuna mtu anakuaga hapo. So computer inaweza fanya kazi bila mtu kuwa hapo. That is automation. So automation, na hii automation inafanyikaga mahali kuna kitu inafanyika inajirudia mara mingi. So kama kutoa pesa, ni watu wengi wanatoa pesa. So hiyo process inakuwa automated. So hiyo ni automation. Then there is consistency. Consistency ni ya ability ya computer kuleta answer the same always. So computer inakuwaga consistency. Hakuna venye computer leo tuseme tunakuja kumultiply numbers itupe answer leo hizi, then the same numbers kesho itupe a different answer. So it does the same thing. So it gives consistent answers, ama consistent results. That is consistency. Then reliability. Computer is very reliable. For one, tuseme kwa mfano computer haigojeki. It doesn't get sick. So computer mahali umeiacha, tuseme tumeiacha mahali, it is very reliable, utaipata tu hapo. So it is very reliable. Sio kama mtu ati anaweza ojeka, anaweza eda. So very reliable. Also it is reliable in that inapeana answer reliable. Sio ile ya kusema ati inakupea answer leo hii, then kesho inakupea answer zingine. So ni kama tu consistency ama reliability, ni kukua reliable, very reliable. Then accuracy. Computer inakuwaga very accurate, so does not make mistakes. Lakini sasa hapa kuna kitu tunasema, hiyo accuracy ya computer, it depends with the computer user mwenye kutumia. So tuseme kwa mfano mtu ameambiwa hapa, tutumie example ya calculator, ni ameambiwa 9 times 9, multiply 9 times 9, alafu akuja hapo aseme 9 times 3 is equals 27. Hii answer ni correct kulingana na computer sababu tumemultiply 9 times 3. But we were told to multiply 9 times 9. So accuracy ina depend na mwenye anatumia computer. So we say garbage in, garbage out. What goes inside the computer is what comes out. So if the computer user gives the computer wrong instruction, wrong inputs, the output will also be wrong. But that does not mean the computer is wrong. It is the user who is wrong. So computer is very accurate. That is what we call accuracy. And so then there is a computer is programmed. So it uses programs. Programs, we have said it is a set of instructions to carry out a given task. So that is a programmed. Computer inakuwaga programmed. It can be programmed. So if it is programmed, it means it can work without a person. It can work without a human being. So it can be programmed. Then we have the storage capability. Storage capability is the ability of a computer to store large amount or volume of data. So a computer iko na ability kubwa tukilinganisha na mtu ya kustore data. So kwa mfano kuna computers na store data za watu wote, labda watoto wote wa shule, lakini mtu tuseme kwa shule yenu kuna watu kama 1000. Huwezi jua majina yao yote, ati wazazi wao ni nani. Huwezi store kwa kichwa yako hizo data zote za kila mtu, mahali anatoka na basa wazazi, alizaliwa nini. But computer has that ability ya kustore large volume of data. So those are characteristics of computer. Na kwa hiyo class tutafika hapo na tutazidi kusoma, na niseme naitwa David. I'll be your teacher for this class. Thank you.